Hi and welcome to today's video about how to create a Canvas report from your existing Jedox stack. So for everybody that joined last week, we had this P&L by category. So today's mission is to make a quick Canvas report in order to update the look and feel and hopefully create a dashboard for the management. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to have something built in Jedox, but typically that might be the case. I have now created one Canvas report, and let's get going. So the first thing I have here is I prepared a little KPI that we can use in order to show some results that we have achieved. But a number just like this is a bit boring, so we can add, for example, a comparison value. This is the fashion budget, and let's make the budget of the previous year, so between 2027 and 2026. And like this, we have a small overview. In order to further improve it, let's make an indicator how much better it got or not. So in that case, we're up on the budget. Hopefully it will materialize. Good. That's step number one. Now let's duplicate this. Very simple, copy paste. So I can just paste it twice more, and let's add them together by drag and drop. It's super simple, just drag and drop whatever you need. I see we have 3 times the same and very quickly, very efficient. So let's bring them all into the same stack. If you've ever built Lego, it's basically the same, just on a computer. Good. So here we had for fashion. Let's make the next one, for example, about shoes. So here, all I need to do is I need to go to my database and choose. You can also, of course, create it with variables. Much easier if you have them available. Now, for simplicity, I just use drag and drop. And here we could have accessories. Same here, accessories and accessories. Okay, there's no data there. That's fine. Perhaps it was not yet budgeted. Good. Step number one, we have our key indicators. Let's add some colors to it. We had our demo in a purple color, so we can recreate this here. And then from our existing dashboard, if you remember from 3 weeks ago, we had a lovely chart that illustrates that. So let's just pull it in. Perfect. Here we go. Chart is in. And so we have our first overview to basically allow us to directly create a small report for management. Let's also add some facts. So if you remember from our previous report, we have the template here. And you see that I just added a very simple frame called P&L over it. I can move it according to size. And then I can just bring it back in, perhaps underneath the chart. So we have all the hard data available. Now, of course, you can drag and drop this to your liking. You can put it in between. So we have first the KPIs, then the reports. You can add more elements like buttons, combo boxes, whatever you need. It's really simple to drag and drop and try it out. Last thing to do, of course, is to save and then publish it. So let's go and publish it under a retail demo. We can call it Canvas demo. And let's go see how it works. So here we can update. We can close this. And there we go. So we have here on top the KPIs, then the table, and on the bottom the graphic. You can customize it to your liking. Feel free to try it out. Bye-bye. See you next week.